Today is December the 4th, 12-4, and your title is Seahorse. Seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Okay, Seahorse. So let's get your book opened up here. Don't forget to divide your paper vertically and horizontally if you need to. That way you have enough room to put your to put your work. Okay, let's go ahead and get this up here. I'm going to start right down here in this corner. Don't forget to put the date. And let's get started. So we're going to start with the head, which is going to be like an egg or like an oval type shape, just like that at the top of your box. Off of that shape, bring a curved line coming down. Okay, so now it looks just kind of like a weird number 9. Alright, we're going to come in a little bit for the neck. And I'm going to bring it down just a little. Then I'm going to bring the belly out and back. And then I'm going to bring it around like this. I'm going to make a bump here. And then I'm going to curve up like this. And then I'm going to make it bump, bump, bump. And then I'm going to bring that back. I'm going to attach that to this curved line. Okay? So basically you've just made some curved lines in several areas and a head up here. So let's add the eyes. So I'm going to do one here and one behind it, and I'm going to erase this mark here because I'm not going to need that. Okay, and let's do the rest of the eye. So here's one, here's two, he's looking out. And let's fix the mouth. The nose is going to continue like it is. It's going to come back, but it's going to come up into a smile right about there. And we're going to bring in, make a lip like that. So erase what you don't need. So I'm going to erase that line that's right around here. Okay. So I've pretty much got what I need there. Let's give him a fin on this side. So curve, 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 and back up. And bring some lines up. And I'm going to bring some lines up here as well. I'm just going to curve those. And now you know that seahorses have this ridge on their back. So we're going to create that, and how we're going to do that is I'm going to bring some lines starting at the eyeball, coming up, and just curve them. Curve them, curve it, keep curving these lines, going down the back, and they're going to get shorter as you get towards the bottom. So they're kind of long right in here, but they're getting short down here. After you have that, you're going to connect them point to point with a curve. So curve, again, point to point, curve, point to point, curve, again, again, here, here, and when it gets to the very bottom, you're just going to take that and attach it right there. Okay? So you've pretty much got it. Let's add some shading and some details and we'll be done. So I'm going to do some shading along the bottom of his nose. Just a light little shading there. And a little bit under his chin. Okay. Bring some down the side of the neck. Okay, so right now you've got some here, here, and here. And I'm also going to put some on his belly coming down. Just a little bit. And some on his fins here. Here and here, and I've also got some here along the fin on his back, and you're just going to take that all the way down the side. Okay, so there's that. Let's add some details. Bubbles. This little guy's underwater here. And just a few different sizes of bubbles all around. And let's add some speed lines like this, coming off of his tail like he's swimming around. Okay, and there you have it. There is your seahorse. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure that you erase any lines or marks that you don't need. Please include all the shading on the body, and don't forget the details like the speed lines and the bubbles.